Welcome back to part 2 of our DevOps career guide. In this video, we are going to talk about how you as a fresher can start a career in DevOps, the skills you need to focus on, and how to get hands-on experience to land your first job. Let's dive right in. First off, who can pursue a career in DevOps? The beauty of DevOps is that it's not limited to developers. Anyone with an interest in tech, automation, and problem solving can consider a career in DevOps. Whether you are a software developer, system administrator, or even someone new in the tech world. If you enjoy coding, automating tasks, and working on scalable systems, DevOps is for you. DevOps professionals are responsible for making sure systems work efficiently, handling deployments, and continuously improving processes. As a fresher, here are key skills you will need to start your journey into DevOps. First, version control with Git. Learning Git is essential for managing code changes. 2. Automation tools. Get comfortable with tools like Jenkins, Ansible, and Terraform for automating processes. 3. CI/CD pipelines. Understand continuous integration, continuous delivery concepts as they form the backbone of DevOps. 4. Cloud platforms. Learn the basics of cloud providers like AWS, Google Cloud, and Azure, which are fundamentals for DevOps roles. 5th, scripting. Languages like Python, Bash, or Ruby are useful for writing automation scripts. Steps to get started in DevOps. Learn the basics. Start by learning Git and version control. There are tons of online resources for tutorials to free courses that can help you master it. Work with automation tools. Install Jenkins or try Docker to get hands-on experience with automation. Experiment with creating simple pipelines and containers. Understand cloud services. Take free courses on platforms like AWS or Google Cloud to understand cloud computing. A basic understanding of cloud services is crucial for DevOps roles. Contribute to open source. Get involved with open source projects. This will help you gain real-world experiences and build a portfolio. Certification. Consider getting certifications like AWS Certified DevOps Engineer or Docker Certified Associate to validate your skills and boost your resume. Real-time job example. Here's an example of what a job role might look like for DevOps engineer. Responsibilities: automating the deployment process with Jenkins, managing infrastructure on AWS, and creating Docker containers for application deployment. Skills needed: experience with Git, Docker, and Jenkins, scripting knowledge in Python, familiarity with AWS or Azure. So there you have it. With the right skills and hands-on experience, you can break into the world of DevOps. Keep learning, experiment with tools, and consider certification to enhance your profile. DevOps is a dynamic and rewarding career, and as a fresher, you are into a great position to start. If you found this video helpful, hit like, subscribe, and ring the bell for more tech career tips. Got any questions? Drop them in the comment below, and I'll help you out. Thanks for watching, and best of luck for your DevOps career.